Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with sample paper 1 section B, and I think we are supposed to take a look at the 13th question. Yes. So let me just take the ones that have been done. Now moving on to question number 13. Again we need to prove something. So let's see, D, E, F are the midpoints of sides BC, CA and AB respectively of an equilateral triangle ABC. So sounds like a lot of junk. Let's just draw equilateral triangle ABC and then we are going to mark points D, E, F. So let's say this is my triangle, equilateral triangle in fact, ABC. So we are referring to the midpoints. We'll mark the midpoints as well. So D is the midpoint of side BC. So D is the midpoint of side BC. E is the midpoint of side CA. So E and finally F. We need to prove that triangle DEF is equilateral. So let's draw the triangle DEF first. Okay, so how do we prove that triangle DEF is equilateral? If you notice, AB is equal to BC, AC is equal to BC because it is an equilateral triangle. And also we notice that F and E is the midpoint of side BC. F is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. So through midpoint triangle theorem, what do we get? That FE is parallel to BC and FE is half of BC. So for the moment we are not going to take the parallel, we are just going to say that FE is half of BC. Similarly, DE is half of AB and FD is half of, DE is half of AB and FD is half of AC, right? So what do we get? That AB is equal to BC is equal to AC and half of AB is equal to half of DC is equal to half of AC, which is going to be nothing but FD is equal to DE is equal to EF, which makes the three sides of a triangle equal to each other, which makes the triangle equilateral. If you didn't get it, no problem. We are going to write it down starting with what is given. So given in equilateral triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC, E is the midpoint of AC and F is the midpoint of AB. Correct? I need to prove that triangle DEF is equilateral. So I will say proof. Since triangle ABC is equilateral, what do I get? AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, right? And I'll mark this as 1. Now, D and E are midpoints of BC and AC respectively. Therefore, what do I have? DE is half of AB and I will say midpoint triangle theorem. I will mark this as 2. Similarly, what will I get? Now DE, so EF is half of BC. Let's mark this as 3 and I have FD is half of AC. Let's mark this as 4. So what do we get? AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Let's rewrite this. So I'll say but AB is equal to BC is equal to AC and I'll say from 1. So therefore I will get half of AB is equal to half of BC is equal to half of AC. Let's mark this as 5. So what do we get from 2, 3, 4 and 5? We can substitute the values for half of AB, BC and AC. Therefore, DE is equal to EF is equal to FD from 2, 3, 4 and 5. What we did is we just substitute the values for half of AB, half of BC and half of AC in equation number 5. Therefore, triangle DEF is equilateral because all the sides are equal to each other. So I will say hence proved. So here is the solution to question number 13. Again, this question can appear for about 4 to 5 marks. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.